Welcome! In front of me I have Honor Band 7 and I'm gonna show you how to change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Basically, how quickly the screen turns off after you stop using your device. First thing we need to do is to wake up the screen on our smart band, and you can do it by pressing the side button. Once you wake up the screen, you should see the current watch face, and now you can press the side button again to open the menu. Now, scroll through the menu, find the settings icon, and once you find it, tap on it. In settings, find the option called display, and once you find it, tap on it, and here scroll down, find the option called advanced, and select it. And as you can see, we have this option sleep at the top. Tap on the sleep option, and here we have list of durations. By default, the auto will be selected, but you can select 10 seconds, 15 seconds, and 20 seconds. Select something you like, and then tap on the OK button to confirm. Tap on the check mark to confirm, and now my screen should turn off after 10 seconds of inactivity. So if I won't touch my smart band for 10 seconds, the screen should turn off like this to save the power. And that's how you change the screen timeout duration on this smart band. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.